Go. Waiting on you. Yeah. Nice. It's a good amount of snow last night. Got a bit of traffic going down.
I thought we was done with this mess.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Go this way. Are you gonna sit there for fucking ever, or are you gonna go? I'm hoping you're gonna go. Waiting on you, man. Where are you going? Not going anywhere, just staring at your phone.
We have a series of frontal boundaries that are going to be pushing in this week, interacting with moisture, and that will return our rainy weather pattern. In fact, we'll see that transition from snow to rain today with a high in the upper 30s. Widespread rainfall continues again through tonight. Our low will be in the upper 30s. The wind remains out of the east again on Tuesday. More widespread precipitation with a high in the low 40s. Rainfall Tuesday night, our low in the upper 30s. Our next weather update is in less than 30 minutes. This is staff meteorologist Dan Holliday.
Juneau's Rock Variety 93.3 KXJ.